Have you ever wondered why some people easily get approved for loans, credit cards, or even better car insurance rates, while others struggle? The answer often comes down to one thing: your credit score. And the truth is, building a strong credit score doesn't have to take years. You can start seeing real progress faster than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rich Map, where we break down smart money moves to help you reach financial freedom step by step. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to building your credit score fast in the USA. Let's dive right in. First, start with a secured credit card. This is one of the quickest and safest ways to build credit when you're restarting out or trying to rebuild. You simply deposit an amount, say $200 or $500, and that becomes your credit limit. Usi twice-eli, keep your balance low, around 10 to 30% of your limit, and pay it off in full and on time every month. Within a few months, you'll start seeing your score rise. Next, never miss a payment. This one's huge. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Even one late payment can drop your score dramatically. Set up autopay or reminders, whatever it takes, but never miss a due date. Third, be smart with your credit utilization. This is the ratio of how much credit you use compared to your total available limit. Try to keep it below 30%. If you have a $1,000 limit, don't use more than $300. Better yet, keep it under 10% if possible. Fourth, become an authorized user. If you have a trusted family member or friend with great credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history and low utilization can instantly start benefiting your score without you needing to apply for new credit yourself. Next, diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see that you can handle different types of credit responsibly, like a credit card, a small personal loan, or even a credit builder loan from your local credit union. Also, avoid applying for too many new accounts at once. Every time you apply for credit, it creates a hard inquiry that can temporarily lower your score. Focus on building with what you already have before opening new lines. And here's a powerful tip. Most people miss regularly. Check your credit report. You can get a free copy from annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors, wrong accounts, or old debts that should have been removed. Fixing even one mistake could raise your score by dozens of points. Now, here's how to speed things up even more. Use your credit card for small, regular purchases like gas, groceries, or subscriptions, and pay them off immediately. This builds consistent, positive payment history every single month. If you're really starting from scratch, consider apps like Self or Experience Boost. These help you build credit by reporting your utility bills, rent payments, or streaming services, things you're already paying for anyway. Remember, building a credit score isn't about luck or timing. It's about smart habits, consistency, and understanding how the system works. So, if you start today, keep your balances low, pay on time, and use your credit responsibly, you could see noticeable improvements in as little as 3 to 6 months. Before we wrap up, let's recap real quick. Get a secured credit card. Pay on time, every time. Keep your utilization below 30%. Become an authorized user. Diversify your credit mix. Check your credit report for errors. That's your roadmap to building your credit score fast. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with a friend who is trying to build credit too. And if you want more EC2 full of financial tips that actually work, don't forget to subscribe to Rich Map, where your journey to financial success begins. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.